Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today's recipe is black-eyed beans curry. It's a Marathi recipe again and it's called Chawli Usal. So if you are ready, let's get started. Come on.
These are black-eyed beans or chawli. Wash them well and add enough water for them to submerge completely. We will keep them aside overnight to hydrate. These have plumped up well and now we can leave them for sprouting. Transfer to a colander, cover and keep overnight in a warm place. You may need to keep them longer if they haven't sprouted well. These are perfectly sprouted and they peel easily. We will submerge them in water for some time for the peels to come out easily. Peel off the outer cover. Now this looks difficult, but it's really not. Look how lovely these look, and it took me only 15 minutes to peel all of these. You don't have to peel them if you don't want to, but I like these this way sometimes and they also taste so great. Let's make the masala crush ready. I have a tiny bit of ginger just for flavor. This masala crush is the main flavor enhancer of this dish. No need to add water, just rough grind it and that's all. Perfect. Keep this aside. Now for the main curry. Allow the cumin seeds to crackle and then add the next ingredients. We will saute the onions until they are golden and soft. In goes the masala crush and we need to cook this until the raw flavor goes off. Now for the pearly beans. Saute for a minute or so. All the cooking is on medium flame. We will add the powders one after the other. You can reduce red chili powder if you like less spicy. Give it a good mix for the flavors to mix well. I like to add hot water so that the cooking process is not interrupted. We will bring this to a boil and allow it to cook. I prefer to cook these this way and not pressure cook them. These don't take long to cook and you can check once in between cooking to see if they are soft. It took about 15 minutes for the beans to cook completely. Perfect. Now the coconut milk will give a nice creamy texture to the curry and ghee will have that rich flavor to the curry. No need to cook further, just mix and we are ready to serve the curry. A final garnish and we are good to go. You can serve these beans with rice or rotis. Thank you for watching.
Such an easy recipe, right? You'll be in and out of the kitchen in no time. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipes that I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next week.